Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a healthy day, and today we're talking about face masks. No, we're not talking about those typical surgical masks that people in some cases are double layering up or reusing them, finding it hard to breathe. You know, when you're reusing them, they're not very sanitary, you gotta dispose of them. We're talking about real protection, giving you 99.97% protection with the ATMOBLUE air filtration face mask. This is very, very cool. I learned about this company as I back a lot of products on campaigns, and this one has been out for a little while, and the company was kind enough to send this to me to put to the test. And looking forward today to do an open boxing, share with you what is included, and then I will put it to the test and give you my unbiased opinion. So this is an award-winning mask. This is called the ATMOBLUE. Got a lot of really cool aspects of the product with their replaceable air filters. They've got these skins that you could replace. Instead of going black, you can go with white, and they've got a few other color options as well. I'll put a link to their webpage where you can learn more about their campaign, and then if it makes sense, you can order it and save 40% on their mask, and then you can also get additional filters. They also have these exit valves where I'll put a link to these. These are made by another company, and we'll dive in and talk more about that and show you where you'll need to use those on your masks. So far they have, according to the campaign, over 6,060 backers, 1.5 million in sales. I mean, that's really impressive. So let's just talk quickly about just a few specs, and then I'll show the mask. I can't wait to get it on and using it and really putting it to the test. So it is the world's smart air purifier. Our patented air filtration system uses industrial grade replaceable filters, which are these, and blocks 99.97% of particles. Their filter is an H13 filter, and what that does is give you 150 hours of use on these filters, and again helps purify the air at 99.97%. So let's go ahead and talk about the mask. Let me take it out of the box. This is the mask. How cool is this? It's got this silicone place where for your face, and then it has the band for your head. So we'll go ahead and put that on, and it's really cool. You can adjust the different lengths and how you're wearing it on your head. I really like what I've seen, and the reviews are great. Now, what's really cool is this runs on power. So you'll charge it up, and again, I'm gonna learn more. There's a charging port there. And then this is where these filters go. These got these magnetic covers that go on there, and then these just replace with these. So this package, there's obviously two. Then this box included total of 4. So that's what we got here in the kit. Now here's what's really cool is we have these skins. By the way, that looks like an alien's head a little bit, but I like it. So it's different, again, different colors. So you can actually take these off, these covers off. You can put the filters in here, and then you can then even put it on like that. You can actually have a kind of cool look like this, or you could take the black off altogether, and then you can replace it with the white like this. And oops, I put that upside down. And then this locks on both sides, snaps on like that. And then again, here are the magnets like this, like that. So you can change and have more fun with it. I think I like the black a little better. Now, as I mentioned, they have these exit valves. So in some cases where you are going to be, you're gonna need an exit valve. Some people have used putty or tape on the bottom. I bought, the company sent me a link where you got these for, I got a total of 4, black and gray. And then this goes right there on the bottom, and you almost won't even recognize it's on. So what you do is you just push that in there. You see that goes in there, and there you go. So now you've got the exit valve that stays right in there, and then this should be able to pop out. Now let me go ahead and take the cover off and see if that makes it easier for taking that off. So I wanna just see that real quick. Now, by the way, let me show you here. These are fans on both sides. And again, once you get it charged up, it will use, and you could see the valve does come out. And again, very, very inexpensive. I will put a link to it. All right, so now that, now to put first you gotta put this on like this, snap that in place, and like that, like this, and like that. Now, before I share with you what's in the box, I'm very anxious to put this on. This has an adjustment here, so you can shorten that up. They've really done a nice job. Very impressed with this. This is the first time I'm getting, you know, taking a look at this, and I have not seen it on hand other than on the internet. And so basically, oops, I gotta bear with me as I am learning how to use this. So you're gonna put this side, they say, what you wanna do is you wanna put on the upper part of your neck, and then this would go on the top part like this. And then what you would do is tighten it. And again, I'll have to make it tighter, and there you go. And there you go. So you'll have fans working in here to make it easier to breathe with. But this is what it looks like. And again, you want it on like this. Hopefully you can hear me okay. And there you go. So now you got your face protected. You got your nose and your mouth protected. And then you can just take it off like this and like that. And that's it. How cool is that? So it's going to be a little bit easier to breathe once I charge it up and get to use it. See if I see anything else. And there you go. So now let's go ahead and take a look. What else is in the box? So we got the book. Talks a little bit about the different steps, how to use it, how to power. And let's see, I think there's a power button here somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, there's the power button. This must be the power button right down here. And that's what it's showing. And so we'll get that set up. And then, so you got the book there. And again, you have everything right in here. You've got the different steps about the filters, how to remove them, customization, all that good stuff. So again, you could buy different skins as well, which is very cool. And then last but not least, you have, oh, we got two more things in the box. We've got it looks like they use a Type-C connection. And then you also have this nice pouch, which is like a felt pouch. And then this can fit right in there, so you could take it on the go with you, which is smart. I'm really excited actually to put it to the test. I use my bounce boots when I go walking, so I'm looking forward to that. I'll even test it on my indoor bike as I'm biking and seeing what it's like having that and where I'm working hard and breathing. So I really look forward to putting this to the test, but there you go. So this is the pouch, and you could take it on the go with you. So there you go. Gonna get it charged up and put it to the test. Can't wait to share with you more about it. Again, I will put a link where you can get these valves, very inexpensive. They do offer, by the way, a file where you could download it and print it yourself if you have a machine, or you know somebody locally where you can have it done. Or again, you just go directly to the link that I will give you, and you can get these at a very, very affordable price. So that's it for this open boxing. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, don't forget, click on the link, take advantage of the promotion while it's still at the price that it's at, because they will go up. And looking forward to experience it. And if you're using it, love any feedback, how it's working for you thus far. And let's get this charged up. Can't wait. All right, everybody, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Stay healthy.